How's it going everyone, and welcome to Space Life and Gardening. In today's episode it's going to be a cooking one. I'm going to show you how to make some really amazing balsamic glaze. But first what we're going to need is some salad. We have all this down here, different salads that my dad's grown. I'll give you a link to his YouTube channel down below. You can see all these different varieties of salad. They look amazing. I love all the colours of these. Something about being able to pick your lettuce. And then we're going to get some tree spinach as well. You can see these little spinaches have popped up everywhere, and these are great in salads. They have an amazing colour to them as well, look. A few of our salad leaves here. I'm going to add a few extra bits to this, but now we're going to go and make our balsamic glaze. So we've got all of our ingredients ready for the salad, as you can see here. We've got some feta cheese, tomatoes, yellow peppers, and here's our mixed salad here. You can see it looks really colourful. And now what we're going to do, it's as easy as this, balsamic vinegar and brown sugar. Brown sugar goes in. Balsamic. Now you just want to get a spoon, get this on the heat. I'll bring this out here. Now you want this on a really gentle heat. And it won't take very long, it'll probably take about 5 minutes, but keep an eye on it. You can see it's really bubbling away now. Most of the sugar's dissolved in there. So here we have it guys, the balsamic glaze is all ready. You can see it looks just like one you would buy, if not better. So first things first, we've got to prepare our salad. It's pretty simple. You've got our salad leaves here. Just going to get all of this and just put it straight in. And just give it a little mix up. See, that already looks amazing. Now, the glaze. And you're ready to go. Here it is guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.